Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to this Mitolyn review. My name is Anna and today I'm here for those of you who are struggling to lose weight but can't seem to get the results you're looking and working towards. So maybe you've tried every diet under the sun or spent hours at the gym without real success. Trust me, I know how frustrating that can be, you guys. And that's exactly why I decided to make this Mitolyn review. I'm going to answer some of the most common questions like, does Mitolyn really work? How does it work? And are there any side effects? And of course, what's in it and all that stuff. I'm going to cover everything, so stick around until the end of this video because I've also got some really important warnings and tips to share before you make your purchase. So first off, the official Mitolyn website is linked down below in the description of this video for easy access. If you decide to give it a try, make sure that you use that link to get the original product and avoid any risks, okay? So let's get right into it. What is Mitolyn? Mitolyn is a dietary supplement made with 100% natural ingredients. That means there are no harmful chemicals or toxins, making it completely safe to use with no side effects. This unique formula combines plant extracts, minerals, and other powerful natural components to support weight loss and mitochondrial health. So maqui berry is one of its key ingredients, loaded with antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect your cells. Another ingredient, rhodiola rosea, helps improve mental clarity and reduces stress. And Schisandra sinensis is known for its ability to boost mitochondrial function and metabolism. Together, these ingredients help speed up your metabolism, making it easier to burn more calories even when you're resting at home. They also help curb your appetite so you're not constantly tempted to just snack and eat all the time. You'll notice steady energy throughout the day, reducing fatigue, and plus Mitolyn promotes better digestive health, which plays a huge role in effective weight loss. Mitolyn is manufactured in the USA at an FDA-registered facility with GMP certification so that you can trust that it's safe and effective. Now, a really important warning. Mitolyn is only sold on the official website. Sadly, there are fake versions being sold on random websites throughout the internet. And to avoid losing money or risking your health, make sure that you're purchasing the original product. The link is in the description down below. I get it, losing weight is a journey and it takes time and effort. It's not easy and the market is full of products that promise miracles but deliver nothing or even harm your health. Mitolyn stands out as a natural, effective solution. But remember, it's a treatment, not some magic fix. Results take time and can vary from person to person. Some people see changes in a few weeks, while others might take longer, so consistency is very important. For the best results, take Mitolyn once a day after meals, and a 3-month treatment is ideal, but if you stick with it for 6 months, you're likely to see some amazing transformations. You'll be feeling great and feeding into your favorite clothes before you know it, you guys. Another thing that I think is amazing about Mitolyn is their 90-day money-back guarantee. You can try it for 3 months, and if it's not for you, you can get a full refund. It's a risk-free way to invest in your health. That's it for this review. I hope it helped you decide if Mitolyn is the right choice for you. If it did, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who might need it too. Good luck on your weight loss journey. You've got this, and I'll see you guys next time.